Everybody, it's Namya and I'm back with a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a unicorn rainbow. Also, I'm going to be teaching you how to use a for loop. A for loop has three properties: how much you want to increment, where you want to start from, and where you want to end. And you can count forward and backwards. If you want to count forward, you have to put the smaller number in the first box, and the greater number in the second box. And in the third box, you have to put like how much you want to increment it by. Increment means like how much you want to count by, like 5, 10, like backwards or forwards. If you want to do backwards, then you put a minus sign, then put the number. And if you want to go backwards, you just have to reverse that. Like not like reverse, like you have to delete the minus sign from the incrementation, and you have to put the bigger number in the second block and the smaller number in the first block. So let's get started. And don't forget to sign in. First, we're going to create and press on artist lab. It's called artist. Now I'll rename this as unicorn rainbow. After this, we click on save. Now, first we'll take an action block. First we'll go in the loop block, get a for I from blank to blank count by. This is where you put the incrementation. This is where you want to start and end and end to start. So we want like decrease, not increase. We'll put our grade number here as 360. 360. And put 180 right here. Because that's what we want to do count by. So you don't get like a full circle, but you get like a half circle. And then we're going to decrement it by -1. Now you go in actions and get a jump to 0/0 and put jump to 200 over 200, so it gets right in the center. Then we can like make a rainbow properly. Now we'll get a brushes block and get a set color and place underneath the jump to 200 over 200 down. Now we change the color to purple because that's the closest violet we have. And then after that, we're going to go back in actions and get a point to. Now we're going to use this point to block. So like we're going to put like go in variables and put to use the for loop, so we can go like not just like this. You can go like this for up and go like for like a half a circle to complete the rainbow. After that, we go in actions, take a move forward block and take a 140, like place 140 pixels. Now we made the first color. Now we will copy paste this. So like after we copy paste it, now we like basically we had to use all the same code, but the only difference we had to make is we had to change the set color to this, which is close, and make this and like remove and like you have to decrease it by 20, so it goes into like the second color and you can see the first color clearly. After that, we'll do the same thing like about 4 more times. 5. See, V. I'll go down here. Let's put most of these aside right now. And then like that. Now we'll take this one and place it here. And then change the color to light blue. and change this to 100. Now we'll take one more of these and not delete, but change this color to green and change this to 80. Now we'll take one more of these, place it here, change this color to yellow and change this to 40. No, wait a second, 60. Now we'll take one more of these. In total, we'll have 7 of these. For 7 colors. I will change this to orange and place here 40. Now we take one last for loop. Place it under here. Now we change this color to finally red and put this as 20. And put this jump to 200 over 200 down. So after it draws one of these, like one of the colors, like one line and comes back and draw like that, and then it'll restart by the center and draw the second line. And then we may like overlap each other to make it look good. So now we are going to test it and see it. That's a good pattern. I wish we were a little faster. It's pretty slow. And now comes green. At least they're not as the same size. It's almost done. And the last color. This takes a lot of time to draw. And then we did it! Our project unicorn was a success! I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!